friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Bonaventure is a charming town located along the beautiful Baie de Chaleurs in the Gaspé Peninsula. This area is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. Bonaventure was founded in 1760 by Acadian settlers, making it one of the oldest Acadian communities in Quebec. The town was named after Bonaventure Island, located nearby, which is famous for its large colony of northern gannets. The town has a strong Acadian heritage, and you can still feel that cultural influence today. The locals here are known for their warm hospitality, and the community is proud of its Acadian roots. The Église Sainte-Cécile, built in the late 19th century, is a beautiful example of the town's historic architecture. Nature lovers will enjoy exploring the nearby Bonaventure River, which is one of the clearest rivers in the world. It's perfect for kayaking, canoeing, and salmon fishing. The river flows into the Baie de Chaleurs, offering stunning views and a peaceful atmosphere.